Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to use the Clip software to make a paper prototype. So you take the outside that you've made of your paper prototype, you take the inside screens that you've drawn out, you have this the Clip software that you've downloaded. You then just put the outside over the inside, and then hold this down for a video, and then you can then do the next one and hold it down again for a video. As long as you hold it down, it's recording, and if you talk, it will record what you're saying, or you can delete that and just add music. So da, or if you want to be even lazy, you can just kind of scoot it over, right? And then you can do things like add your click. So hold that down and click. Right? And so now you have clips of a video that you can edit, you can add music, you can delete, and to add music you just clip up there, you choose the music that you want and it adds it that way, and that's it, you're done.